Welcome to VINDAL'S Academy. All right. So we have this question. I'm going to be doing a review of all the questions on circle theory. So come in, sit down. So we are doing review of questions on circle theory. So this is the last question for circle theory in 2024. So the question says, from the diagram, it said ABT is a circle center O. O is okay. O was not. There is no center indicated here. Okay. Pay attention so that you understand what I'm saying. PQ, from P to Q, is what? Is a tangent to the circle at T. So, you know what I mean by tangent to a circle? Tangent to a circle, that means if you have a circle, if this is a circle, a line going through the circle, touching it, just touching a particular circle. But they must tell us at what point it touched the circle. That is why they said PQ is a tangent at what? T. So let's say at this point, T, it can be A or B or whatever. So at T. Now he said, and ABC is a straight line. ABC is a very straight line. TC bisects AB, BTQ. TC, this is TC, from T to C. Bisect, when we say bisect, we mean dividing into two equal parts, all right? So this line now, that means whatever this angle is, if this angle is 10, right, this one must also be 10. Forget about how big it is. So we say it is not drawn to scale. You understand? Not drawn to scale. Not drawn to scale. Okay, so and that angle is 44. BAT is 44, and PTA is what? 60. Find ACT. So we are looking for ACT. So the angle at the middle is what we are looking for. So that angle is this one. So I'm going to call it X. All right. Now I have this thing. I brought this particular diagram which is under alternate segment for you to see how related this can be with respect to this. Please, if you are coming, sit down, no issue. All right. Now look at this. If you have a triangle in a circle touching the circumferences and also making a contact with a tangent, all right? So the chord from that tangent to any point, two chords from that point of the tangent forms a triangle. Now we now say that the angle here must be equal to the angle here. All right? So if you look at it from here, forget the fact that they brought this line to deceive you. They brought this line to deceive you. You realize that the whole of this is what? The whole of this is what? What are you doing that? Answer that. The whole of that place should be what? Eh? Are you people afraid of talking? So if this place is 44, this should be 44. Therefore, this is 44. The whole of this place is also going to be what? 44. But see what happened. They said that this line did what? Bisect. So divide the 44 into two equal parts. That means this place is going to be what? 22. And this place is going to be 22. All right? But we now have a straight line. That straight line is like this. This place is given out as what? 60. And this place is given as what? 44. So how do we find this angle? We say what? We say what? What is the law? Sum of angles on a straight line. Right? So this place is going to, if I call it y, we now say that 60 plus 44 plus y equal to what? 180. What is the reason? Sum of angles on what? On a straight line. You must state the law. So at that point, we now say that this plus this is going to be what? 104. 104 plus y equal to 180. So y is what? 76 degrees, right? So this place is what? 76 degrees. Now see what we have. We now have this triangle. Look at the triangle. So this place is 44, right? And this place is what? Are you sure? This is A, T, and C. Eh? What are you saying? Look at the triangle now. A, C, T. So I'm looking at from this place. You add it 76 plus 22, which is what? 98. This is 98. Then this is that angle we are looking for, which is what? X, or what? ACT. Are you getting me? Most times you don't use this, you use this. Are you getting me now? So what am I going to do to find this? I'm going to say 44 plus 96, no, 98 plus X equal to what? 180. Sum of angles on a what? In a triangle. So X is going to be 180 minus 98 minus 44. X is what? 38. Therefore, angle ACT is what? 38 degrees. Do you understand that? Thank you for being part of this lesson. Always remember to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it. I'm solving the next one.